What's your name, big guy?
My name is William Simon.
William Simon. And why did you initially join Train Studios?
I joined Train Studios so I can get into the Navy and join the Special Operations branch and to be badass.
And to be badass, okay. And what did you know about Train Studios before you joined? What did you hear?
I heard everyone was losing weight here and everyone seemed to love it because it was a great place.
Awesome.
So I thought to get out.
And tell us about your experience. How long have you been a member here?
I've been a member here for about 2.5 months, or around 80 days.
80 days? And what's your experience been like in the last 80 days? How much weight have you lost in the last 80 days?
I've lost 80 pounds in the last 80 days, and my experience here has been great. It's been nothing but helpful here. Everyone joins in when they can, and they help me lose the weight every step of the way.
All right. Would you recommend this to a family member or a friend?
I would recommend it to all my friends and all my family, regardless of if you're in shape or not. If you're in shape, it'll help you get in better shape, and if you're out of shape, you'll get in shape real quick.
Okay. Thank you so much, Will. Continued luck to you.
Thanks, Will.